Hi, it's Attorney Joe Mitchell, YourHarvardAttorney.com, serving Greater Philadelphia, criminal, personal injury, DUI. This is part of the series that I call 20 Ways to Beat a DUI Case, and I'd like to talk today about field sobriety tests. Now, one of the ways that officers get the right to arrest you is by creating some type of probable cause. So in order for them to arrest you, they have to have some type of probable cause to arrest. And so how do they get that probable cause? One is the smell. Okay? So one of the things that's really smart is if you're out drinking, use mouthwash before you get into the car. Like, don't smell like alcohol if you could possibly remind yourself. You might want to put a little reminder on your seat. Like if you go out to a restaurant and you know you're going to be drinking, put a little reminder on your seat, use mouthwash or something so that when you come back to the car you can like do a little mouthwash drill. Keep some mouthwash in your glove compartment. So the second thing is if they suspect that you're slurring your speech or, you know, like talking kind of funny, because that's the other thing they look for, of course, is glassy eyes and slurred speech. You know, you might want to have some eye drops there in the car as well. But if they do find that you're slurred speech or glassy eyes or smell like alcohol, they may pull you out of the car and ask you to do a field sobriety test. And one of the ways that you can beat a DUI case is if they improperly administer the field sobriety test. Now there are three basic tests for the field sobriety. One of them has to do with your eye gaze, one of them has to do with your walking in a straight line, and there's another one where you turn. So these tests are standard, and if they do other kinds of tests that are not part of the standard field sobriety tests, then that is the opportunity for a guy like me to say, no, objection, objection, we are not going to allow this testimony because they did not do the standard field sobriety test. So that is another way to beat a DUI test, the field sobriety test. So they usually, what will happen is when we get the discovery, the paperwork from the police, we'll note what they did with the field sobriety test, and we'll file a motion to suppress. So that's another way to beat the DUI case. Attorney Joe Mitchell, YourHarvardAttorney.com. You can reach me at 215-557-7111 for a free evaluation, or you can go to my website and watch a lot of videos like this. Watch the whole series about how to beat a DUI. Thanks for listening in.